A lot of beats to look at here, and of course, you want to see progress here for Jane Fraser in her turnaround story at Citigroup. Coming into this earnings cycle, they were trading at just over 60% of their price-to-book value here. So, of course, Citigroup has a ways to go to catch up with these other banks. When you look at what they've done, what's most impressive, perhaps, is the gains that they're making in terms of beating on fixed income trading, equities trading, and investment banking. We talk a lot about that private credit competition. Interestingly, now you have JP Morgan and Citigroup beating on debt underwriting very meaningfully here. So you're seeing the banks come back with a vengeance to get that share in the markets, and you're seeing them really put their money to work to do so.
I mean, this report card on Citi really plays to what Jane Fraser said when she was at the the RBC Capital Markets Conference, which was, we are ahead on our program. And that's reflected. If you look at the inside the business, FICC is significantly is a solid number. It's well ahead of what they had estimated. Likewise with equity sales and trading. So do you think the transformation of Citi, is there another leg to go? Is there another evolution of that from Jane Fraser and the team?
There certainly is. I would have to say those businesses right now are extraordinarily competitive because by and large those businesses are kind of flat to down on Wall Street. But Citigroup, big global presence, and therefore when it comes to fixed income...
I think that's the big differentiator with them as well, is the globality of their business.
Absolutely. So what it does is give her a chance to gain share in securities services, moving money around the world, and also really gain share in those very volatile macro markets, which is why fixed income is so important for Citi. I would say, remember, she's doing this while basically changing almost every top position at the bank. That is the part that is perhaps the most striking about this beat. You have new leaders in almost all of these businesses, and some of them have not even started the job yet.